Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. In these videos, we're gonna find out together what it takes to take this Arrma Infraction from stock form to do sub 1 second passes on no prep on 132 feet. Let's get onto it. First thing that I bought that used from Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace for a very good price. And I want to make it go sub 1 seconds on no prep drag racing, and it needs some work. First things first, we got some QS8 connectors to put on the battery and on the car, and put their new RadioLink RC6 GSS V3. Let's start with it. So we're finally done. We replaced all our connectors with QS8 anti-spark connectors. We also replaced our tires with a huge set that I had GRP medium soft. They're supposed to have much better grip than the stock ones. And we also connected our RadioLink controller. It should give us much better adjustability on the 40 meters runs. Now let's test it.
Okay. Definitely smells rubber.
So we end up replacing the batteries with 120C, faster batteries, high voltage, brand new tires, the ultra soft, and also we replaced the gearing from 220 to 24, the pinion gear. Let's see how it does.
Cut out?
Yeah. I forgot to say in the beginning of this video that we'll be running this car on 6S. It will be much easier to run on 8S, but in this channel we like the challenge. Wait till you see what we have in store for you for the next videos. Now that we got that out of the way, let's do a quick recap of what we've done so far. Unfortunately, we couldn't get a clean pass yesterday because the gyro wasn't working properly, and with the 24 pinion that we changed after the motor was cutting out, so we didn't get a clean pass, but nevertheless we still managed to get a 238 at 104 kilometers. On the next video, we'll be doing a detailed wheel alignment because as you saw, the car was all over the place on the video. Also, we'll be setting up the radio link properly to have the gyro set up and everything. And also we'll be changing the brass bearings for roller bearings on the steering arm assembly. So stay tuned for the next video. If you like this video and you want to see more like this in the future, please don't forget to like and subscribe to help the channel grow and to also help newcomers like me to understand their cars better and hit their goals faster and hassle-free. See you next time.